Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, July 17, 2025. It's a new day filled with new opportunities. We're here to capitalize on those opportunities. Again, guys, we're not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process. We're going to make sure we execute to the best of our abilities today. As a reminder to myself, as a reminder to you guys, we do not control the markets. We're not here to predict what the direction is going. We're here to react what the market tells us and then accept the randomness. Just make ourselves available for whatever setups we want and make sure we execute. Again, the outcome is all random, but the process and all that, that's what we can control. Manage risk, manage your take profit, and manage your discipline, manage your mind. So let's see what trades we take. All right, guys, possible NQ entry here if we get that little order filled there. All right, guys, so change the state of delivery happened all the way down here. I wanted this long from all the way down here. Price never pulled back into this gap. We waited, price consolidated again, gave another leg up. Boom, nice, decent sized gap. Waited for price to pull back into it. Boom, stop losses at the swing pivot. Textbook setup per my rules, per my setup, per all that. So risking 2 to 1, and we'll see how this trade wants to play out. I'll update you guys here in a bit. Okay, guys, so we just got taken out right there out of the position, down minus 1R. Solid trade, guys. That's it. That's all that we can say, right? Now what we're looking for, changes in state of delivery happen to the bearish side. If we get a setup here, a pullback, this is the setup I'd be looking for. I'll pull back into this gap right here. I'll place the order. I'll have the order out. We get a tap back into this gap and a potential low or continuation move lower. Again, guys, I'm not predicting where price is going. I'm just doing what the chart tells me, and I'm just reacting to that, right? So I'll be back and I'll update you guys here if any other possible setups come or if I get filled on this order. All right, guys, so we just got our order filled on this short setup that we have here. As you guys previously saw, I wanted this short up above. Price created a new change in state of delivery with the tiniest gap. Again, guys, it's a valid setup per my rules, per my strategy. I just have to be available to make sure I take the setup. Do I think it's going to work? But again, I don't control the outcome. I just control the process and making sure I'm available when the trade presents itself. So here we are currently in this short. We'll see how it all plays out, and I'll update you guys in a bit. Boom. There you guys have it. All right, so we're down 2R right now. It is what it is. Bet dealt with more drawdown. These are all valid setups. Right now, what we're looking for is a potential long. Again, this is now a little bit gone, but it is creating a continuation here above this downturn candle. If we could get a close above, maybe a potential long up above here somewhere. Again, we're just making sure we're available when the trades present themselves. What I think about the trade does not matter. The backtesting, the data has shown me that it is profitable. I just got to make sure I'm keeping it, that I continue to execute to the best of my ability. So I'll be back in a little bit and I'll update you guys on the trade. All right, guys, potential long here. If we get this or price to tap into this gap right here, we're about a couple ticks. All right, guys, there you guys have it. We are in on this long. Again, nice size gap right here. This is a continuation trade. Nice size gap, waiting for price to come back, pull into it, and expected a continuation to move higher. Stop loss here at this minor swing pivot, which is this yellow candle. Might be a little tight, but that's what the rules require. And now we're just along for the ride. We're going to wait and see, and I'll update you guys on how this trade plays out. All right, guys, super close here to getting taken out for a full plus 2R. Boom, there you guys have it. So there, now we are, the trade ended up working. Again, guys, we do not control the trades. All we can control is the process, right? Making sure I'm available whenever the trades present themselves. And I know, and I have the back testing that shows over the long term, if I keep taking the setup over and over again, it will be profitable. So right now we've taken 3 trades, basically break even on the day, small, basically commissions. 8:04, we'll try to look for another setup before lunch, but if not, then we'll just pack it up and come back after lunch. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, I am back on the charts. Currently 8:35. No other setup since I exited this trade around 8 o'clock. I'm heading into the office right now, so I won't be able to record any more of the trades. Again, I'll try to take more trades in the New York PM session once everybody comes back from lunch around 10 a.m. my time. I'll look for more setups, and then I'll come back home and I'll let you guys know what we finished with and what else we took. But it is going to be a super long night for me, so I don't know at what time I'll be posting these videos, but I'll try to come back and I'll make sure to update you guys with whatever it is happened. All right, so I'll be back. All right, guys, we are back on the charts. Currently 6:51 in the evening time. Had to go to work, had to go in the office, had to do some stuff, and then I came back. Now we're back on the charts. When I last left, the last little clip you guys saw, I had taken 3 trades before lunch. I was basically break even on the day. You guys see here, 2 losers back to back, and then the winner that got me back to break even. Coming back from lunch, there was 2 setups. Market was super choppy since I came back. As you guys see here, price was in about a 30-point range since 10 a.m. Shoot, all the way even back here from 9 a.m. all the way to like 11ish. Yeah, 11ish when it broke out. And as you guys see here, change in state of delivery, which was this close above here. Boom, this nice decent sized gap that was right here. Price came down, tapped into it, got in, and instantly dropped all the way against me. Never even saw a single ticket profit, and that was one trade. So that was a loser, so we're down -1 on the day, the fourth trade. Then we waited for the next valid setup. This was actually another change in state delivery, as you guys see here. Price came out, or actually it broke it here. So it happened here, up above. Happened here. This was the gap that led to that. And we waited a very long time for price to come back in here, tap into it, and then it did. And we jumped in on this short. Now this trade took the rest of the time here, but as you guys know, around 12:45, I moved my stop loss to break even, so we were in profit here. And the next candle just came, took me right out, break even basically here. And as you guys see, it did end up working a couple minutes after market close, but again, we were already done then. So that was it, guys. Just wanted to make sure I update you guys with the trades I took, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the P&Ls. Basically, we finished the day with 5 trades. You guys can't see here. These are just the balances. Finished the day with 5 trades, 3 losers, 1 winner, 1 break even, -1 R on the day. Nothing terrible, guys. Again, the back testing shows there's going to be losers, but as long as the losers are kept manageable, the winners will keep stacking up on top of each other, and long term, we will begin to see profits, right? So here you guys can see the 1 winner, 3 losers, the break evens in here too. I take small profit, and here are the executions: 2 losers, 1 winner, 3rd loss, and then the break even trade took 45 minutes. Pretty solid day, guys. We're just making sure we're coming into every day with the proper mindset, being patient, being disciplined, and making sure we execute the best of our abilities. The execution has been lacking for the last couple of days here, like last week and early in the start of this week, and now we're trying to build on it and make sure we come and execute to the best of our abilities. So today we did that. We took every single valid trade that presented itself. We did not get angry. We did not get upset. We did not revenge trade after a loss, and we just kept jumping in back on it because we know that the data is behind us and the probabilities will eventually begin to play in our favor. So it's been a long day, guys. We just came home, finishing up the video, about to go eat some dinner now. I just want to make sure I upload, stay consistent with it, make sure I'm following my own process, and uploading to the YouTube as well. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.